How to close your blockchain.com account or how to delete blockchain.com account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can close your blockchain.com account. Now the process itself is pretty simple. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you on the app itself due to the screen recording issue, but I'll be showing you with a screenshot using it as a reference. So you want to head over to your profile on the blockchain.com account homepage. Then you want to tap on settings. Under settings, you want to head into accounts. Now under accounts, once you tap on accounts, you want to head over to account management option, where you'll get the option to delete account. Simply tap on delete account. Then before deleting your account, you'll have to make sure that you have withdrawn all your funds. Now you will have to keep in mind that all your open trades will be cancelled, account history will be deleted, and you'll be logged out on all devices, as well as your account will be deleted. You'll have to withdraw fund, as I already told you before. Then you will be able to delete your account. Tap on delete account. Once you tap on delete account, it'll ask you for confirmation, and it'll ask you to type in delete my account to confirm. Type it in and tap on delete account, enter in your confirmation there, and you are good to go. So this way you can close your blockchain.com account. Hope this helps you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.